Hello ISEC Jaguar, this is Misha from ISEC International and I'm actually here with your LCP. We are in India in BRIC conference and we just wanted to share a few things with you. I heard you are all members now listening to this message, so I just wanted to tell you why, for example, I stayed in ISEC for such a long time. It's actually really long time to get to ISEC International. It takes a lot of years. But I'm still learning, and that's, I think, the most important aspect which kept me going. Because I think in ISEC, in the beginning you come and you are trying to find yourself, you are trying to try different things, you are realizing what you want in life, and I think this was very helpful for me. I learned what I really don't want to do in ISEC. But the same in ISEC, but also in my personal life, but I learned what I really want to do, what I'm passionate about. So this was really helpful for my personal life, but all in all, I think the most important aspect was that I think I really changed. I think if I look back at myself before joining ISEC, I think I'm a better person now. I think I'm looking at the world differently. I think I'm looking at different countries differently. I think I'm looking at people differently. I'm treating people differently, and I think it's good that I'm like that. So I'm really thankful to ISEC that actually made me a person I always wanted to be. And thanks God, ISEC is still challenging me to become even better. So just keep asking yourself who do you want to be and how ISEC can help you, because I think ISEC is an amazing platform to get you where you want to get. You just need to realize that and use ISEC to be a better person, and use ISEC to make more people better people for the world. So that was the main message. But also I want to stress out a little bit on the conference where we are now, because I think the ideas which we created here are really important, and the GCPs and the stories and the good case practices which other countries are using has been shared here. So I think your LCP has ideas like this which he wants to bring back. So just support her, listen to her, and maybe even then get connected to those other LCs which are going through the similar story as you are going. They are managing similar amount of experiences. So just learn from them, look at the output, listen to your LCP, what she's bringing back. It will be really great change for your LC to move forward and have even better processes. So good luck with that this year. Don't forget to enjoy. It's also about having fun. So hopefully see you somewhere someday. Bye bye.